greetings to anyone watching this video. Introduce me is Nur Aina Sham, a final year student of the Bachelor of Information Technology, Honors Business Computing, from Universiti Teknologi Mara, UITM. I underwent industrial training for 18 weeks at an automation company, Visual Instrument and System Innovation Sdn Bhd, also known as VC Sdn Bhd. VC is an engineering system developer and integrator that was founded in early 2011. This company creates customized engineering solutions based on the needs and specifications of each particular user. This company have designed and delivered different industrial automation, remote monitoring, and test and measurement systems around the country. This company was awarded to be the National Instruments Silver Alliance Partner in 2014. The company now has the largest their primary competence is centered on the use of National Instruments, software and hardware technologies. With these abilities and competencies, PC has effectively entered numerous major industries, including marine, offshore, manufacturing, aerospace, energy, and research and development. I was a student intern under supervisor Mr. Hadri bin Hasnan. He was the one who managed the tasks I had to perform throughout my industrial training. The job I do is to revamp and troubleshoot this existing company website using WordPress. WordPress is an open-source content management system written in PHP and paired with a MySQL or MariaDB database. Features include a plugin architecture and a template system, referred to within WordPress as themes. This was a great experience for me as this was my first time venturing into it. I have tried cloud-based web development services like Wix before, but not WordPress. While I was studying at university, I learned 3 types of programming language to build systems. The first is C++ programming in the subject of fundamentals of computer problem solving. The second is Java programming in the subject of object-oriented programming. And the third is PHP, HTML, CSS, and JavaScript in the subject of web programming, software engineering, and e-commerce development. Since I was never familiar with the use of WordPress, so in the first week of the internship, I got a training class using WordPress. The training classes definitely provided much needed knowledge for me. Turning to my task during internship, before starting to edit the web user interface, I need to implement a wireframe for this web company. Next, I will revamp the user interface according to the supervisor's wishes. Creating a customizable user interface is not easy, so I explored a lot through Google and YouTube to be able to use the web user interface as requested. The various plugins I installed and widgets used throughout the setup of this web company. I use Elementor as web builder and Astra as a theme. In WordPress, there are various website developers that can be used in addition to Elementor. Use Beaver Builder, DV Builder, Thrive, Architect, Site Origin Page Builder, and others. Elementor became the choice following its claim to fame for its fast and hassle-free visual interface, flexible styling options, and other great features like full theme construction. Additionally, various themes for website use WordPress besides Astra, with 2021, Neutral, OnePress, Mesmerize, SimplePress, and many more. Astra theme became my choice because Astra is a fast, fully customizable, and beautiful WordPress theme suitable for blogs, personal portfolios, business websites, and WooCommerce stores. It is very light, less than 50 KB on the front, and offers unmatched speed. Next, I was also given exposure to SEO marketing. What is SEO? SEO stands for acronym Search Engine Optimization. Search engine optimization is the process of increasing the quality and quantity of website traffic to a website or web page from search engines. SEO targets unpaid traffic rather than direct traffic or paid traffic. I think this SEO knowledge is very useful. This is due to what we use the website other than the visitors who see the web that has been using. It's completely useless. SEO also can be said in WordPress. Here is the user interface for the homepage that has been modified. I standardize the menu navigation, header, footer, color, and fonts. Next, I revamp the user interface for About Us page. Next, I revamp the user interface for Solutions page. Next, I revamp the user interface for Services page. Next, I revamp the user interface for the Products page. Next, I revamp the user interface for the Contact Us page. There are forms for user to submit, button for apply. There are name of the location of this company. Apart from that, I'm also required to be judges for office decorations in conjunction with the Eid celebration. Participants of this decoration competition consist of subsidiaries of these companies. Besides, I made a sharing session with a team. The sharing session aimed at mental awareness of health following the country affected by the COVID-19 outbreak where the government implemented a curfew. My sharing session title is A Happy Colleague, Happy Work. I also joined the company program like playing Kahoot. The challenge I had to go through was an internship at the time of the movement control order MCO. There are times when it is necessary to work from home. So, in case I do not understand anything, I will contact the supervisor via WhatsApp. In fact, my supervisor will make work checks assigned to me on a weekly basis 3 times through Google Meet if working from home. The second challenge is, since I never use WordPress, so many things I need to explore so that I can complete the task given. I use YouTube and Google as reference material. Finally, I recommend to students who are looking for an industrial training, please to undergo industrial training in this company, which are instrument and system innovations in your behalf. Among the fields offered for industrial training in this company are marketing, information technology, and engineering. Industrial training students will be served with new knowledge in line with the passage of time, while undergoing industrial training appropriate to their respective field. My hope is that this company will continue to thrive as well as be able to help the younger generation by applying useful skills so that the country's economic growth will be more advanced in the future. Thanks for watching.